Welcome to the Municipal DataWorks Asset Valuation Module Training Video number 3, Category Exceptions. In the previous video, categories of assets with similar attributes and life expectancies were generated. Should category exceptions occur, this video will show you how to clear the exceptions. First, click Next to open the category exception page. In order for assets to be valued, they must be assigned to categories. Unassigned assets are assets that do not match the defined criteria. The exception page has been designed to allow the user to continue the process of valuing and amortizing assets assigned to categories without clearing the exception. The reason this feature was added was to allow a municipality to make policy decisions not to value certain assets, or you may want to include the unassigned asset in another report. If you want to assign the asset shown on this page to a category, you must correct the exception. Let's look at how this is done. First, click the asset ID number for Water Main 100 to open the asset record. In the previous video, asset material and geometry diameter millimeters were the criteria used to define the categories. For the asset record Water Main 100, asset material is not populated. To correct this, click the Edit button, select the appropriate asset material from the pick list. In this case, the asset is a polyvinyl chloride pipe. Once the selection is made, click Save and click Done. Close the asset record and click the Refresh button, and the asset record is removed from the exception list. The asset has been assigned to a category and will be included in the valuation calculations. Now to clear the exception for Water Main 300, click the asset ID number. For this asset record, both attributes, asset material and geometry diameter millimeters, are populated. In video 2, when the categories were defined, the criteria selected for asset material was polyvinyl chloride. If you want to include this pipe with an asset material type concrete, you must return to the Defined Categories page and select the asset material. To return to the Defined Categories page, click Define Categories in the tree. Click the Edit button for the attribute Asset Material. Check the Concrete checkbox and click Save. Click Next. Click Generate Categories. Once the new categories have been generated, click Next. You will notice that there are no exceptions. All water mains have been assigned to categories and will now be included in the valuation. Asset Valuation Module Training Video number 4 will show you how to value and amortize water mains.